Welcome to Tober, this unique modern property situated in the village of Coads Green. As you can see behind me, we're downstairs and it has a beautiful modern kitchen with additional prep areas to the rear of the property. There is a sunroom as well, which is shining beautifully today.
Here I am upstairs in this unusual property, which also has a bedroom downstairs and a bedroom upstairs. The bedroom upstairs has a good sized walk-in wardrobe, and also the bathroom or shower room comes off that room as well. The living room where I'm sitting now offers two windows out looking over the garden and the surrounding countryside, and there's plenty of parking at this property within the garage, which also is large enough to form a good sized workshop, and there's a paved drive at the front too.